What's up, y'all? It's Mel. Welcome back and welcome to my channel if you're new. So today I am locking my hair. This is like my third journey, but y'all know how that go. But for real though, I'm gonna stick to it, I promise. So right now I'm just oiling my hands so that way I don't like snag my hair, my dry fingers and stuff. So for this journey, I am starting it off with two-strand twists. I just feel like starting off with two-strand twists just automatically give you that full lock type look. You know what I mean? Because the coils, I did that before and it wasn't for me. It was too skinny. I ain't like that. For this set of locks, I think I am gonna go. Well, not think. I am okay. I'm going the semi-freeform route because as you can see, my hair is like pretty short. Like it's at that awkward length. And so the twist, it wasn't really like staying twisted. Like it was untwisting, and then the size I did this set of locks too, it is on a larger side, so I can't really get it retwisted for real. It's just too thick. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm not gonna retwist it. I'm gonna like separate it and stuff. But I'm gonna just let my hair do its thing like I'm fully freeforming it. But it's not fully freeform because I'm separating. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put some pictures so y'all can see like the inspo I'm trying to go for. So yeah, as you can see, it's giving like real earthy type vibe. Like, that's the type of vibe, that I want to go for. Like it's cute, So yeah. So here I'm just parting my hair and stuff. And I'm gonna probably put in some music, so cause I ain't gonna be talking this whole video, so let's cue in some tunes. I would put a snippet of this song in the video, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but y'all know the vibe. Okay, so right here I did stop filming, but I came back once I finished with half my head. But here's what she's looking like. Alright, now listen. If y'all do y'all's own hair at home and y'all use the same mirror, you know the struggle. Like look at me, look at my face. Like it's too much. Okay, so please bear with me on like these different like angles and stuff. Doing your own hair is hard. Okay. so I'm finally done. Here's what the locks are looking like. It really didn't take me that long. I mean, I did do large parts, so duh, it didn't take me that long. But yeah, so here's the back. Ooh. But yeah, y'all, so that about wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be giving y'all lock update videos here and there. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.